so happy. You're just so joyous and happy. Look how happy you are.
I feel like one of those dogs that like smile, like Maria's dog, when you like say something to it. And it's like this.
You just do the little evil smile. That's what it is.
Hello everyone, Tara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks for tuning in. In a previous video, I had mentioned that Wholesale Supplies Plus, one of the soap companies I purchased from, was running a mystery sale, a grab bag sale, where if you paid $1.95, you got a mystery item worth $4.95. And I asked you if that would be something you'd be interested in, so when I got my package, I would either unbox it in front of you or just show you what I got. And I got it in the mail today, and I just wanted to open it up, and it's going to be a big surprise because I have no idea what's in there. And maybe you guys can give me some ideas of what I should make with these things, you know, brainstorm with me what you think I should make with them. I don't even know what's in the box is going to be worth making anything with or something I can use. No idea, but let's get to opening it. I'm just going to dump this out. Again, no idea what's in here, or if I can even use it. Hopefully it's not like 14 of the same things. Well, these look like fun. What do you think I should do with this? These are a whole bunch of bottles. Hopefully they come with lids. That would be really pointless if it didn't, right?
What in the world?
Maybe I'll learn my lesson about spending money on things that, you know, I can't do anything with.
But it was $1.99 now, right?
Alright, so there's castor oil. That's just something I ordered because I needed. And then we got a whole bunch of soap molds in here. Let's see what we got. What are these? What is that? Are those angels that are sniffing flowers?
Oh, look at that. Angels and doves, I believe.
Okay, next. Some just plain soap molds. I can use that.
Some plain ones, there you go.
How about some monogrammed ones? Oh look, it's my name.
Oh look, T.
And my old initial.
Yeah, you're not getting that back.
And a letter of the alphabet that I'll never be able to use.
Cute. This reminds me of Quaker Oats for some reason.
Okay. And we got some like pink socks. I might just keep these for myself. I don't know.
Oh, no way. I really wanted those.
No.
Just kidding.
I think what they were trying to do is make room for all the fall items that they were coming out with. And get rid of some stuff. Yeah, look, I'm going to wear these. These are mine. Here.
Oh, yeah, right.
And then some cocoa butter because I'm a dumb head, and I originally meant to order like a 1 pound bag of it, and not realizing that I ordered 2 ounces of it, so I don't even know what to do with that. Alright, moving on. Candy mold.
Nice.
We make some chocolates. I mean, this is for $1.95. This is nice.
Yeah, look at that. You could do like Valentine's Day-ish stuff. I mean, that's really
Bath
small
truffles, or
you could use them as embeds, I suppose.
Or even like little lotion bars or sample bars.
Oh, yeah.
Or
You got
my.
What is this? Here, I'll move these.
What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, look, they gave me a whole bunch of their handmade magazines. So they like to make these and hand these out. And this is pretty cool because there are lots of recipes in these handmade magazines and instructions and pretty things that inspire. Let's see how far back they go. They're February of 18,
Avocado.
April, November of 17, October of 17. There might be some good stuff in here for fall.
Yeah.
I can totally use these. And then I think they sent me some fragrances, so I might get some use out of that. I really don't think there's any lids in those bottles.
I don't think so either.
So I
it's a 50 piece.
Not only do I have to think of something to make with them, I've got to find lids for them too.
It's for your potions.
All right, fragrances. I don't even know how to say that. How do you say that? Ariona berry.
I suppose. Ariona berry.
Okay, let's give it a sniff. It smells good.
Yeah, it smells exactly like an Ariona berry.
It reminds me of something like from Bath and Body Works though. And then some sweet pumpkin latte, which I've used this fragrance before. It didn't behave very well. I think it was this one. Maybe it wasn't this one.
I think you used one that had like some sort of gingerbread in the name, maybe.
I don't know. I feel like I've used some kind of pumpkin. I've made pumpkin cupcakes before with one of their pumpkin fragrances, but I don't know if it was this. This doesn't smell the same.
I would like to smell it as well.
Right.
Jeez.
Stingy.
No, it's not the same one, I don't think.
I don't know, but I remember it being called something like pumpkin latte. Well, that's cute. At least I got 2 little fragrances out of that. I appreciate them. I can at least make little soaps with them.
And you can make 50 somethings.
Somethings with those.
Oh my god.
So, yeah, we got a bunch of random things. You know, I knew what I was signing up for. But it's cool. If you guys have any ideas on what I should do with these bottles, let me know.
It's a bottle.
I don't know, they kind of remind me of like maybe lotions or maybe, I don't know. I can't think of too much to put in these. Oh, I kind of feel like going back and buying more random items. I'm a sucker for mystery.
Yeah. How much was all of this?
I don't know. I bought 14 mystery grab bags for $1.95. And like this is one thing, and this is one thing.
Oh, so you got some of the same. Well, it's a good thing they didn't give you like, here's 50 grab bags.
Yes, that's what I was scared of. I've done that once with Brambleberry, and they sent me like a whole bunch of the same things. So.
You were like, I want variants in my list. Come on, man.
Yes, thank you. I want to be surprised.
Right.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. Anything that you want to see with these things, or where all those funny looking soap molds go, leave me a comment in the comment section. Oh yeah, these I like. This is nice.
Some socks.
Some socks. You know, thank you. Maybe I'll make soap in these.
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
You know, soaping and socks.
You have like a logo from. I don't know.
Some fancy molds.
Q, T, and C.
So, give me a like if you enjoyed this video. If you are new, stay tuned. Subscribe for any, random creations that you want to see me make with these things. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, guys, have a very nice day, and I'll smell you later.
That's a new one. I like that. Have a very nice day.